Hello, inflatable fans. Now, Mr. 80 Quid has arranged a paddle today, and this is Cleethorpes, and out there's a fort. The only snag is, and we knew this might be a bit of a risk today, is it's very blustery. It's offshore winds about 20-30 miles an hour. Not too bad at the minute. I mean, it's beautiful sun-wise, but there actually, I mean, that is quite a rolling tide out there. Bonnie lad's here. We're here first, so we're going to go and have a bit of a recce, a bit of a walk onto that beach. Oh, Mr. 80 Quid's just rocked up. There he is, look. So we'll get him out and then we'll go and have a recce on the beach. I have recce'd another option. Sorry, I've got the sun. I'm doing that sun thing again. I have recce'd another option on Alexandra Dock in Grimsby. And the reason I'm wanting to do that one at some point is because there are about 5 geocaches that you can only access via a boat. I've always wanted to do those. Oh. So we've got Bonnie lad, Mr. 80 Quid, the machine's coming down in the background, and we're just doing a bit of a recce. I want to see what the sea's like. One thing I do wish I'd brought today is my binoculars. They'd have been quite handy. As I say, my only concern is the wind coming this way. However, the water's not too bad at all. Yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. I don't know whether the camera will pick up that fort. I think I've got it roughly centre screen, right of the sun glare on the water there. But the water, the waves, relatively calm. But you can certainly feel that wind from here. If I turn the camera in it, even though I've got a wind muffler on the mic, you can probably hear that. The tide is currently on the way out. I think it's going out for about 3 hours. That's not my big concern, as I say, it's the wind. But if I'm looking at the horizon line there, this is what I used to do in Filey. You used to be able to see this in Filey. If the tide's really rough, you can actually see it being wavy right on the horizon line there, and that's not too hideous. See what the others want to do. I reckon we'll be doing it. So yeah, just looking at this water outlet that Mr. 80 Quid reckons we can paddle down. With skegs in, you ain't got a hope in hell, you're just going to ground out. Deepest bit's about there, but even so, with your body weight on, not a hope in hell. It's going to be a carry down and launch in the sea. Won't be long before the causeway opens to that fort. We could just walk it. Bloody wind's really strong. I don't know whether the camera will pick this up, but this is a bit rough, as in too windy. I'm turning back. I'm turning back, I don't like it. I've turned back. I don't know what they're doing. I can't turn around without losing control of the craft. So I've turned back. That's a complete no-go. Dangerous today. Definitely not doing that. Well, that's seaweed. It's not bad going, not even 9 o'clock and we're back. I can't believe how quick that tide moves.
Oh, it does go out quick.
It doesn't move that quick at Filey.
It's quick as well. It's not deep. Not in that window, that window's decent. You know, like for white water.
I can truthfully say, I'm so glad I haven't bought one of these. I don't like it. What it is it's hard to get a good pull. It's hard to get a good draw on the paddle. The good thing is, you know, need a wee. I'll tell you what, look, I can't get over the reflective glare off his legs. Oh, sandwiches are down. Sandwich down, they've gone. Hello. Hello. Well, you're helping Alan, we're helping you. And us. Are we going at an angle? There's a train coming. Train coming. Train coming. Alright, got the boat back to the car. That was really hard work. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is deflate this, chuck it back in the car, then we're going to Alexandra Dock in Grimsby. The rest of this video might actually be a geocaching one, so we're going to have a paddle on Alexandra Dock. There are about 4 or 5 geocaches on there, so I will do a separate geocaching video for that and include bits of the footage from this point onwards. Right, off to the second venue. And he's off. Well, after that first disaster, we're back on the water. Right, the first geocache over in that corner. The boys are over there. Oh, look at those gulls. Got some professionals on the water. Now there's a sunken boat just over there. And there's one over there somewhere. Seen better days, hasn't it? Camera won't pick this up, but underneath that bridge I can see some neon floats where there's people swimming. Got a few swimmers on the water. Got some lovely scenery today, haven't we? On the water geocaching, loving it. The boys are over there, look, sheltering under a bridge. Woohoo! I'm quite chuffed I found 2. Don't you look at me in that tone of voice.
Not even looking at you. I'm fishing, mate.
Are you fishing? You got a line out?
Yeah, I've got the line out. No, I say how long does it run for?
Oh, it depends how much you use it, but generally get a good hour out of it. Oh, hang on, bit low, bit low. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, you know what to do about liking the video, subscribing, etc, etc, etc. If you don't like it, how the hell did you get this far? Don't be spitting over the side. Oh, that, yeah. Yeah. Nice day for it. Bit windy though. Keep going through bits where every 2 foot stroke only moves you about 6 inches. Not moving too bad at the minute, but every so often the wind picks up. It's like, oh, beast. Beast, I tell you, beast. Here we go. Oh, heck. Oh, see how it's blowing me right out from that wall? Wow. Grimsby by water. Yes. One of the prettier paddles we've done. Last week the Lake District and Scotland. Today, yeah, it is what it is. Under we go. Quite a good one to go under this, isn't it? Yeah. Quite an interesting one. Oh, until you twat your paddles on to stop. I found 3.
Yeah, have you got any more Pokemon to find?
No, no more Pokemon. Gentlemen, what do you think of this? Inflatable catamaran.
Lightweight.
Lightweight, ultralight apparently.
Ultralight.
I've had a little go on it this morning and I think it's crap, but Alan really likes it and that's all that really matters.
Yeah, but you didn't really, well, you had to go and you can't really say. Alan's not bad. You've let him on. Don't mind.
He's, to be fair, I only had to go in a little gutter of a stream, but I still think it's crap. I don't like it. I nearly bought one of them.
No, it knocked my back back.
I did, I nearly bought one of them. I think that's quite interesting, the fact that you've actually got a boat parked behind a sunken boat. It's weird, isn't it? Anyway, the machine there, he's in a free-in, it says sup on the side, but it's not, it's because it's got a drop stitch floor. This is one, oh god, I nearly got one, but Amazon pulled the order, and they got it, it was an absolute bargain, he got it for 120 quid. 120 quid, absolute winner. And I missed out on that one. I wanted one just so that I could review it really for the channel. Just be fun to see what it was like. A bit like when I did the Go Plus. That was the cheapest drop stitch kayak I could find at the time. And yeah, if I'd have got one of those, that would have been a bit of a bargain. Oh my god, wind's got up again. Gustery, gustery? I'm making words up now. Oh! I mean, look at it on the top of that water. Even the gulls are struggling up there. Oh. So we've parked over there in that car park just there. Quite a nice little launch point that. The only thing is, there's not a right lot to do on here, to be honest with you. Not far you can go. Got told that we got to a certain point, told we couldn't go any further. You needed to be on marine band, that kind of stuff. In other news, Mark, there's some ducks down there, look. Ducks! Oh, the pumping station's spitting out. I need to get back in. Got lots of coming through there.
Is it water generator?
Yeah. You won't be able to see it on the camera, but through there, there's a hydro generator churning it through. relatively... Dave's in! Playing with water. Where it's relatively... Oh, he's in! Dave's in! Bloody hell! Look at us, we're like bloody kids. Oh. It's enough to spit you back out, doesn't it? Oh, get it! Oh, get stabbed by a rush. Go on, Alan, get up there.
I'll go for it.
I'll just nestle in behind you. I could park in the back of his...
Raf already went.
I could get... I'm going to dock. Have you done it already? I'm going to dock. I'm going in, I'm docking. I'm docking. I'm docking. I'm docking. I'm docking. I'm docking. I'm docked. I'm docked. The great thing about areas like this is you can use it a little bit like a running treadmill. You can just paddle against it. Trying to keep control. No negative strokes. No negative strokes. Oh, I lost it. You alright? Boiler, yeah. Wow. He just dragged me out of the way, the bastard. Yeah, it's very fizzy. Give us an area of fizzy water. We're like kids again. Well, like I say, you can use it like a treadmill. Can you see that big thing at the top? Well, that was a bit of fun. If I finish the video here, thank you so much for watching. Cheerio. Oh God, the wind. The wind. Bloody hell.